Hello, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Wherever you're listening from, maybe at home, maybe driving, maybe walking outside, thank you for learning English with us.
Emma, before we start today's topic, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was actually very relaxing. I didn't do much. I stayed home, watched a movie, and tried to cook something new.
Tried?
Yes, tried. It seemed like a good idea at first.
Ah, that word, seemed.
Exactly.
And how did the food look?
Honestly, it looked amazing.
But
it didn't taste amazing.
so today's topic is already happening naturally.
Yes, today we are talking about a very common confusion in English.
The difference between seems and looks.
These two words are small.
Very small.
But they change meaning in important ways.
And many English learners use them in the wrong situation.
Or they use only looks for every situation.
Yes, they say, it looks good for every situation.
Even when it's not about appearance.
So today we'll fix that.
We'll explain it simply.
With real-life examples.
And natural conversation.
Before we continue, if you enjoy learning English in this relaxed way,
don't forget to like this episode and practice with us by speaking out loud.
All right, let's begin slowly.
When you hear the word looks, what do you think about first?
Something visual, something I can see with my eyes.
Exactly.
Looks is often about appearance.
For example, she looks tired.
You can see her face.
Her eyes are heavy.
She is quiet.
So based on what you see, you say she looks tired.
Another example. The sky looks dark.
Yes, you see the dark clouds.
So maybe it will rain.
But notice something interesting.
You didn't say, the sky seems dark.
You could, but it changes the feeling slightly.
Now we're entering the deeper meaning.
Let's make it very clear.
We use looks when we talk about what we see.
She looks happy.
He looks old.
That cake looks delicious.
You are describing something visual.
Now, listeners, imagine a friend comes into the room.
Their hair is messy.
Their clothes are dirty.
You say, you look tired.
Because you see something.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about seems.
Seems is not only about what you see.
It's about your impression.
Your feeling.
Your interpretation.
For example, she seems upset.
Maybe she's quiet.
Maybe she's not talking much.
You don't just see tired eyes.
You feel something emotionally.
That's why we use seems. Let's compare directly.
She looks angry.
Maybe her face is red.
Her eyebrows are down.
Clear physical signs.
Now, she seems angry.
Maybe she's speaking coldly.
Maybe her tone is different.
You're not 100% sure.
But you feel something.
So seems often includes uncertainty.
That's very important.
Imagine you meet your friend after a long time.
You see them smiling.
You say, you look happy.
Because you see the smile.
But if they don't talk much,
you might say, you seem different.
Yes, not only visual.
It's about energy.
About behavior.
Now let's look at structure.
Both words are followed by adjectives most of the time.
She looks tired.
He seems busy. We can also say, it looks like it's going to rain.
It seems like he's upset.
Very common structure. Looks like, seems like.
And we will explore that more in part 2.
Yes, because like changes things slightly.
Let's practice together.
If the food is beautiful on the plate,
you say, it looks delicious.
If your friend is quiet and serious,
you say, she seems worried.
Good.
Notice the difference in your mind.
Visual versus impression.
Appearance versus feeling.
That is the foundation. This topic seems simple,
but it's deeper than it looks.
That was a perfect example.
Yes, same sentence, two meanings.
And that's why understanding this difference helps your English sound more natural.
So we built the foundation.
Looks, what you see.
Seems, what you feel or think.
Now let's go deeper.
Because in real life, things are not always black and white.
Exactly. Let's start with two very common expressions.
Looks like and seems like.
These two are everywhere in English conversation.
You hear them in movies, daily talk, office conversations.
But many learners don't know when to choose which.
We use looks like when we are making a conclusion based on what we see.
For example, it looks like it's going to rain.
Why?
Because the sky is dark.
You see clouds.
Another example, it looks like he didn't sleep.
Maybe his eyes are red.
Maybe he's yawning.
So you're using visual evidence.
Now listen carefully.
It seems like he didn't sleep.
What's different?
Now maybe you don't see red eyes.
Maybe he's speaking slowly.
Maybe he forgot something simple.
Your conclusion is not only visual.
It's based on behavior or general feeling.
Here's something important.
Looks like feels slightly more concrete.
More physical.
Seems like feels softer.
More emotional.
More uncertain.
For example,
It looks like she's angry.
strong visual signal.
It seems like she's angry.
Maybe you're not completely sure.
Maybe you're guessing.
Let's imagine an office situation.
Your colleague is very quiet today.
You might say, she seems stressed.
Because stress is not always visible.
Now imagine your colleague has messy papers everywhere.
You say, it looks like you're busy.
Because you see physical evidence.
So your choice depends on what type of information you have.
Now here's the interesting part.
Sometimes both looks and seems are possible.
But the feeling changes slightly.
For example, it looks difficult.
You see something complex.
It seems difficult.
Maybe someone explained it to you,
You didn't see it clearly.
but you think it's difficult.
Both correct, but the source of information changes.
Let's practice with daily sentences.
The food looks amazing.
Based on appearance.
The food seems amazing.
Maybe someone described it to you.
Or everyone says it's good.
Another example.
He looks confident.
You see body language.
He seems confident.
Maybe he speaks calmly.
Maybe he answers questions smoothly.
The difference is subtle.
But native speakers feel it.
Now let's talk about emotions.
Because emotions often use seems.
For example, you seem upset.
This feels softer than you look upset.
Yes.
You look upset focuses on face.
You seem upset focuses on behavior and energy.
Sometimes seem sounds more polite.
Because you show you're not 100% sure.
You're giving space to the other person.
That's important in communication.
There's also another structure.
Yes, seems to be.
For example, he seems to be tired.
She seems to be working hard.
This is slightly more formal.
You hear it often in professional English.
It's common in news or reports.
Example, the company seems to be growing.
Very natural.
Let's act out a small situation.
Okay.
You walk into a room and see dark clouds outside.
It looks like it's going to rain.
Then your friend is silent and distracted.
You seem worried. Is everything okay?
Perfect.
Two different types of observation.
One visual.
One emotional.
Let's fix some mistakes learners make.
Mistake 1. Using seems only for physical things.
Wrong. The cake seems beautiful. Better, the cake looks beautiful.
Mistake 2. Overusing looks for emotional impressions.
Wrong. You look sad when you only feel it from behavior. Better, sometimes, you seem sad.
Mistake 3. Wrong structure.
Wrong. He seems angry face. Right. He seems angry.
Always adjective after.
Or seems like plus sentence.
Let's test you.
I'll give a situation.
You choose looks or seems.
You see smoke in the sky.
It looks like something is burning.
Your friend answers very short and avoids eye contact.
He seems upset.
You see someone smiling brightly.
She looks happy.
Someone talks about big dreams confidently.
He seems ambitious.
Very good. This topic might look simple.
But it seems deeper when you practice it.
Again, both words used differently.
And that's how you grow in English.
By noticing small differences.
Because fluency is in the details.
So now we understand the basic difference.
Looks is usually visual.
Seems is more about feeling or impression.
But real English is not always that simple.
Yes, sometimes the difference is very small.
And that's where fluency begins.
Let's take this sentence. She looks nervous.
That's normal.
Now she seems nervous.
Also normal.
So what's the difference?
The first one focuses more on what you see, maybe shaking hands, avoiding eye contact.
The second one focuses more on the overall vibe.
Maybe her voice is quiet.
Maybe she pauses before answering.
So the difference is not grammar.
It's perspective.
That's why advanced learners struggle sometimes.
Because both are correct.
But the feeling changes slightly.
Let's imagine a situation.
Okay.
You start a new job.
You walk into the office.
Your boss smiles and says, "Welcome."
He looks friendly.
Yes, because he's smiling.
But later, he gives you many tasks quickly.
Now you might say he seems very serious.
Exactly.
You didn't just see seriousness on his face.
You felt it from his behavior.
That's the key.
There's something important about seem.
It sounds softer.
More careful.
For example, if someone is quiet,
You seem tired feels gentler than you look tired.
yes, sometimes you look tired can sound direct.
Almost like criticism.
But you seem tired feels more understanding.
More empathetic.
So choosing the right word can change your tone.
That's powerful communication.
Now let's level up.
We can add adverbs.
She looks really happy.
He seems very confident.
These are very natural in conversation.
But again, check your source of information.
Is it visual or emotional? That's your decision point.
Now here's a slightly more advanced word.
Appears. It's similar to seems, but more formal.
For example, he appears confident.
You'll hear this in news reports.
Or formal writing.
The company appears to be growing.
Instead of seems to be growing.
In daily conversation, we usually say seems.
Appears sounds more professional.
So if you're speaking casually with friends,
Use seems.
if you're writing an academic report,
You might choose appears.
let's compare these three.
She looks confident.
She seems confident.
She appears confident.
First one, based on physical signs.
Second one, based on overall impression.
Third one, formal tone.
Same meaning, different style.
Let's create a natural conversation.
Okay.
I saw Sarah today.
Oh, really? How did she look?
She looked happy,
That's good.
but she seemed distracted.
Interesting.
See how we used both naturally?
Yes. One about face.
One about behavior.
That's how native speakers use them.
Now imagine an online meeting.
Someone's camera is on.
You say, "You look professional today."
Nice compliment.
But during the meeting, they don't speak much.
You might think, she seems unsure,
Not because of appearance.
but because of participation.
So in one situation, both words can exist.
For different observations.
Let's talk about confidence in speaking.
Many learners say, it looks good for everything.
Yes, even when it's about ideas.
For example, someone explains a plan,
And they say, "It looks good."
but you're not seeing anything.
You're listening.
So better, it seems like a good idea.
That sounds more natural.
Because it's not visual.
It's conceptual.
That's advanced thinking.
Let's test your understanding again.
Situation 1. You see dark circles under someone's eyes.
You say,
You look tired.
Situation 2, your friend cancels plans and speaks slowly.
You seem tired.
Good.
Situation 3. You read a business report.
The company seems successful.
Or, more formal, appears successful.
Very good.
This topic seems clearer now, and it looks easier than people think. Nice use again.
See what we did there? We used both naturally.
And that's the goal.
Not memorizing rules.
But feeling the difference.
So now we've explored the difference from every angle.
Visual evidence.
Emotional impression.
Tone.
Formality.
Now it's time to use everything together naturally.
Let's imagine a small story.
Okay.
You meet your friend after a long time. You look at them carefully. They look different. Maybe new haircut, maybe new clothes.
Then you talk for a few minutes.
And you feel something is not right.
Now you say, You seem quiet today.
Notice the shift. First observation was physical.
First observation was emotional.
That's exactly how real conversation works.
You go to a party.
The decorations are beautiful.
You say, This place looks amazing.
Because you can see it.
Later, people are laughing and dancing.
You say, everyone seems happy.
You're feeling the atmosphere.
It's not just visual.
It's energy.
That's the difference.
Now let's imagine you receive an email.
The message is very short.
No smile.
No explanation.
You might think, He seems upset.
But if you see him in person with crossed arms and a serious face,
You say, He looks upset.
two different sources of information.
Feeling versus sight.
Here's something interesting. You can even use both in one sentence.
You say, She looks calm, but she seems worried.
That's powerful English.
Because appearance and emotion are different.
Maybe she smiles.
But her voice shakes.
That sentence shows deep understanding.
And that's how you sound fluent.
Let's correct one more mistake.
Many learners say, It looks like he is tired in every situation.
Even when they didn't see him.
For example, someone says, John didn't come to work.
And you reply, it looks like he is sick.
But you didn't see John.
So better, it seems like he is sick.
Because it's a conclusion from information.
Not visual evidence.
Now it's your turn to speak.
Pause and answer these questions out loud.
When was the last time someone looked happy?
When was the last time someone seemed stressed?
Can you describe a situation where someone looked confident but seemed nervous?
Practice describing people around you.
That's how this becomes natural.
English is not only grammar.
It's observation.
It's emotion.
It's awareness.
When you choose between looks and seems,
You are choosing perspective.
are you describing what your eyes see?
Or what your heart understands.
That small difference makes your English powerful.
More human, more natural, more confident.
Today's topic might have looked simple at first.
But it seems much deeper now, doesn't it?
Exactly.
And that's the beauty of learning English step by step.
If this episode helped you understand the difference clearly,
Don't forget to like it. Share it with a friend who always says it looks good for everything.
and most importantly,
Practice speaking.
because the more you notice small differences,
The more fluent you become.
we'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English with confidence. Bye, everyone.